Every time you make a shopping list, you're basically creating an array. Instead of writing each item on a separate piece of paper, you put everything on one list. That's exactly what an array does in programming. It lets you store multiple values in a single variable. Without arrays, storing 5 items would mean creating 5 separate variables. That gets messy fast. Arrays solve that by grouping everything together in one place. Here's what an array looks like in JavaScript. You use square brackets, and each item is separated by a comma. That's it. One variable, multiple values. Now here's something important. Arrays are zero-indexed. That means the first item isn't at position 1, it's at position 0. So if you want to access the first item in your array, you use index 0. The second item is index 1, and so on. Updating an item is just as simple. You reference the index you want to change and assign it a new value. Done. Arrays also come with built-in tools called methods. Push adds a new item to the end of the array. Pop removes the last item. And length tells you how many items are currently in the array. These 3 alone will take you really far. You see arrays everywhere in real products. A music app stores your playlist as an array. An online store keeps your cart items in an array. A social media app loads your feed from an array of posts. Anytime you have a list of things, there's almost certainly an array behind it. So to summarize, arrays let you store multiple values in a single variable. They are zero-indexed, so always start counting from 0. And methods like push, pop, and length give you the tools to manage your data. One variable, unlimited items. That's the power of arrays.